In today's video, I'm gonna share with you 5 clothing hacks every girl needs to know. So if you're ever in need of a clothing iron, but there's none, but you have a flat iron, you're in a good spot. What you can do is use your flat iron to take out wrinkles from your clothes. Yes, you heard me correctly. Use it on high heat for cottons and linen fabric, and use it on low heat for polyester and like silk. Just glide it across your clothes and you'll have a wrinkle-free clothes. So you know those stubborn armpit stains that you get from deodorant? No matter how you wash your clothes, you just can't seem to get rid of them. Well, wash your clothes as normal, your normal laundry load, and let that piece of cloth dry in the sun. I don't know what it is, but the sunlight, honey, takes out that armpit stain, and it works too with baby clothing that have like poop stain. The sunlight just extract the stain from it. If you have a tank top, like the razor blade tank top, where the strap of your bra keeps poking out, keeps showing, so annoying, so tacky, what you can do is use a paper clip. Use a paper clip in the back to pull the bra straps together. This one is a hack for your smelly shoes. So if you have a shoe that is smelly, or if you just want to prevent the shoes from getting smelly, what you can do is put some baking soda in a sock, and whenever you're not wearing the shoes, you just let that sock always stay in that shoes. Also, if you're going to the gym or if you're traveling and you're packing, you don't want to put your dirty shoes on top of your clothes or beside your clean clothes. So what you can do is use a shower cap. Put the bottom of the shoes in the shower cap and then pack it as normal. That will keep your shoes separated from your clean clothing, make it more sanitary. So we all know about strapless bras, right? If you're wearing a topless dress and you don't want no bra straps to be showing, you put on your strapless bra. Well, did you know that there's strapless underwear? Yes, there is. So if you're wearing that tight fitted dress and you don't want any panty lines to be showing, or you're wearing that sexy dress with all the slits and the cuts on the side and you don't want underwear to be showing, slip on one of these strapless underwear. It's taped in the front and it's taped in the back, and it just goes right under. So your outfit, flawless, no panty lines. I'll leave a link to those in the description box below. Well, there you go, guys. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you find these hacks to be helpful. Leave me a comment below letting me know which ones were your favorite. And if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.